Hello, I'm PinkPantheress and this is what's in my bags. So in my first bag, this is my beautiful Coach bag in this very rare colour. You don't see this colour often actually. This has got my lip combo inside. People rarely ask me for my lip combo, very rude of everybody because I actually work very hard on my lips. But this is NYX Fat Oil and this is my lovely pencil liner which from NARS, and I use both of them a lot. And in this purple Lacoste bag, I have my lip balm, which is from The Ordinary. I bet you didn't know they did lip balm. Me neither, low-key, until I got this. I can't produce oil for my lips anymore, so this is actually, like, without this, I'm dead, I'm done. Just fling me away. So The Ordinary keeps me clutch, pardon the pun. In my next bag, it is from Tommy Hilfiger. It's lovely brown. It's actually like very cushiony. This has my eyelash curlers in it. I have eyelash extensions, but you can always do with a little pick-me-up. So that's in there. And for my Fancy That era, you know what we're doing. It's a lovely, beautiful tartan Vivienne Westwood bag, very on theme. And inside this bag, I actually have some boots. Next, we have this beautiful bag here. Sometimes when I'm out and about, I actually like having at least 3 or 4 outfits that I change into every day. So of course I had to get a skirt ready for today. And not only that, I just thought, F it, why not? I'm gonna have a fur jacket to have just in case it gets cold. And for my last and 6th final bag, it's this other Vivienne Westwood. I'm obsessed with her lately, and this is a bit stupid, but obviously like you need your 5 a day. I've only had my 3 for today, so we have this pepper. Don't judge me, I like eating them just straight off the shelf. And we have this leek, I think is it a leek? Well, this was my bag collection and I hope you learned a lot today. My name is PinkPantheress. Thank you so much for watching.